orange.
Good job, Michaela. Roman, paying close attention. Michaela, paying close attention. Let's go ahead and look at part 2. Listen carefully. Touch the letters UN in part 2. So all of us should be looking at the letters UN. We are tracking. Touch your computer. Now listen. What does UN usually mean when it appears at the beginning of a word? Think about it. Get ready. Good job, Roman. Not. Good job, Roman. Michaela, what does it mean?
Not.
Good job. Now listen. Touch the first word in column A. Roman, what word? What does untold mean, Roman? Not told. Good job. Michaela, touch the next word. What word?
Unbelievable.
What does unbelievable mean?
Not believable.
Good job. Next word, Roman. What word? What does unable mean? Good job, Michaela. Next word. What word?
Unfortunate.
Good job. What does unfortunate mean, Michaela?
No, not unfortunate.
Not fortunate. Try it again. What does unfortunate mean, Michaela?
Not fortunate.
Good job, Michaela. Not fortunate. Look at column B, Roman. First word. What word? What does unthinking mean, Roman? Good job, Michaela. Next word. What word?
Uneasy.
What does uneasy mean?
Not easy.
Good job, Roman. Next word. Make sure we're tracking. What word? What does unfinished mean, Roman? Good job. Michaela, last word. What word?
Unaware.
What does unaware mean, Michaela?
Not aware.
Good job. Everybody should be looking at part 3. We're going to talk about what those words mean. First word. Everybody, what word?
Letter.
Who knows what letter is? Good job. Yes. That's a very good example, Roman. Thank you for sharing that. It's like the little dirt that we use for the cats, and that is what they use to use the restroom. Now word number 2. What word?
Mole.
Mole. A mole is a small animal that spends most of its life underground. Roman, what is a mole? Good job. Now everybody touch word number 3. What word? Listen. The word is severe. Everybody, what word?
Severe.
Severe. Listen, severe is another way of saying very fierce. Everybody, what's another way of saying the storm was very fierce? Think about it. Get ready. Say the whole sentence, Roman.
The storm was severe.
Good job. The storm was severe. Let's go ahead and look at part 4. Roman, you're going to do the first line. Make sure we're tracking. The first word. Roman, touch. Good job. Michaela, make sure we're tracking. First word. Remember to hold your sound for 3 seconds, boys and girls. First word. What sound? Good. What word? Listen. The word is slightly. What word? Spell slightly, everybody. Get ready. S.
S-L-I-G-H-T-L-Y.
What word?
Slightly.
Good job, Roman. Again, first word. What sound? distracted with the bus. Put it down. Thank you. Good job. What word? Good. Next word. What sound? What word? Good. Next word. What sound? What word? The word is crunch. Roman, look at the word carefully. Don't get distracted. You know these words, right? They're easy words. Don't get distracted. Again, the word is crunch. What word? Spell crunch, everybody. Get ready.
C-R-U-N-C-H.
What word?
Crunch.
Let's try it again, Roman. Back to the beginning. We're doing good. Make sure we're sitting up straight. Chair all the way in. Paying close attention. Again, first word. What sound? What word? Next word. What sound? What word? Next word. What sound? What word? Next word. Look at it carefully. What sound? What? Good job, Roman. Michaela, your turn. First word. What sound?
Ow.
Good. Good. Holding it for 3 seconds, Michaela. What word?
Astounded.
Good. Next word. What sound? What word?
Alternate.
Next word. What sound?
Ow.
What word?
Cloudy.
Next word. What sound?
Ow.
What word?
Always.
Roman, now let me hear you. First word. Check. Good job. What sound? What word? Good. Next word. What sound? What word? Next word. What sound? What word? Good. Next word. What sound? What word? Good job, Roman. Michaela, your turn. Look at the next row. First word. What sound? What word?
Flight.
Next word. What sound?
Ooh.
What word?
White.
Next word. What sound?
Ow.
What word?
Hours.
Next word. What sound?
Sun.
What word?
Exceptional.
Look at the ending, Michaela. Try it again. The word is exceptionally. What word?
Exceptionally.
All of you spell exceptionally. Get ready.
Exceptionally.
What word?
Exceptionally.
Good job, Michaela. Back to the beginning. First word. What sound? What word?
Flight.
Next word. What sound?
Ooh.
What word?
White.
Roman, make sure we're tracking. Stop playing with your mouth. Next word. What sound?
Ooh.
This sound is ow. What sound?
Ow.
What word?
Hours.
Good. Back to the beginning, Michaela. You're doing great. First word. What sound? What word?
Flight.
Next word. What sound?
Ooh.
What word?
White.
Next word. What sound?
Ow.
What word?
Hours.
Good job. Thank you for fixing your mistake. Last word. What sound?
Sun.
What word?
Exceptionally.
Good job, Michaela. Roman. Last row. First word. What sound? pronouncing the first word. Thank you. First word. What word?
Wrist.
Next word. What word?
Midst.
Listen, the word is midst. What word?
Midst.
Spell midst. Get ready. M.
M-I-D-S-T.
What word?
Midst.
That's the beginning. First word. What word?
Wrist.
Next word. What word?
Midst.
Next word. What word?
Obviously.
Good job. Next word. What word?
Develop.
Good. Roman, stand up a little bit and then it's going to turn on. Good job, Michaela. Thank you. Can you stand up a little bit and walk around over there? Hold on, Michaela. Give me a minute. Move a little bit to the middle. There you go. Come back and take a seat. You're next on the second row. Look at the first word, Roman. Make sure we're tracking. First word, what word? Next word, what word? Listen, the word is fertile. What word? Spell fertile. Get ready. F. What word? Good, back to the beginning. What word? Next word, what word? Next word, what word? Next word, what word? Next word, what word? Good job, Roman, Michaela. Next word, what word?
Adventure.
Next word, what word?
Continued.
Next word, what word?
Occasionally.
Next word, what word?
Launched.
Good job, Roman. Look at the next row. Be careful with those two words. First word, what word? Next word, what word? Next word, what word? Next word, what word? The word is remained. What word? Spell remained. Here. R-E. What word? The word is remained. Look at the word. Focus on the word, Roman. Sitting up straight. Chair all the way in. Listen. The word is remained. What word? Remained. Spell remained. Get ready. What word? The word is remained. Roman, do not look at me. Look at the book. You have the lesson right there in front of you. Break it up. Remained. Try it again. Listen. The word is remained. What word? Take the hands out of your mouth.